Power TVs here at SEMA 2011. I'm in front of a beautiful 55 Chevy Nomad with Steve Brown of Danchuk Manufacturing. Steve, thanks for having us. Tell us a little bit about Danchuk.
Danchuk Manufacturing. We've been around for about 35 years now, since 1976. We are a pride-driven company that specializes in manufacturing in the United States for 1955, 6, and 7 Chevys. That's all we focus on. That's our entire thing, 1955, 6, and 7 Chevys. We've been doing it for, again, I said, over 3 decades. We're the world's largest manufacturer, the world's largest distributor, and again, the biggest thing for us is we're proud to be a United States manufacturer. We have in-house manufacturing, in-house tooling design, in-house everything. That's manufacturing. We're a family-owned business. We have 2 brothers, Dan and Art Danchuk, that own the company. All 4 of their kids work there. I've survived there for 26 years somehow, and it's still going strong. And we're just a good, fun-loving, happy company.
That sounds great. And you've got a very cool philosophy that you build parts the way you think GM would have built them.
Absolutely, we do. We build parts exactly like GM builds them. And what we're going to talk about a little bit today, when you get to that, is a new part that we did, a Fan Shroud, that was not available in 1955, 6, or 7. And we did design that. Even for us, even though it wasn't made, we designed it to be exactly like we honestly feel GM would have made it. We didn't get crazy. It doesn't look like a hot rod part. It just looks like it belongs in the car.
So you've got one of those shrouds in this car. Tell me about the different lines of fan shrouds you have.
We took into account all the applications that people would really want. So there's 3 different applications, all are for a V8 motor, but a lot of people use a 6-cylinder core support because it moves your radiator forward, gives you a little more room. When we do that, like you'll see in this car over here, we just get a good deep draw on the fan shroud. It looks perfect, it fits in there perfect, the fan's right where it's supposed to be. But if you were to say, you leave your V8 fan shroud in there, but you still wanted to get that extra space, you'd use some adapter brackets to move it forward. Well, when you do that, again, you get the same fan shroud, same thickness, but we just have some adapter brackets to help that all sync up. And then the last but not least, very proud of this one actually, my tool maker he's brilliant. He really is. He does things I don't even understand. He designs it to be, a 3.5, 4-inch draw, but then what he figured out is when you have a stock V8 in the V8 position, you just don't have that much room. So he did a shallow hit on it, and it just, again, fits in there like it's perfect. It looks perfect. They're beautiful. So we got 3 different fan shrouds. They all do the same function. They all look basically the same when they're in the car. It's just, it caters exactly to what you need.
So if people want to get online and learn some more about these, where can they go?
www.danchuk.com, search Fan Shroud, search it by part number, look at our catalog, and we talk a bit about them there. I always have the fluffy copy so people realize that it's made in the United States. They realize that it's thick gauge steel properly done. They realize that they're powder coated, so they're good and durable. If you want to strip it off and chrome it, we'll have them in chrome actually available probably mid-year. For people that want that. Otherwise, you can paint it to match. I mean, there's so many custom cars these days. Everybody wants to do everything,
Very cool. This is a neat product for building a custom car with a factory look. So yes. Danchuk Manufacturing, we'll be sure to check it out. And we'll see you next year at SEMA 2012.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.